guys, so today I've got July's Fright Crate box to show you. Now I have already opened it because I get this from America and it takes quite a while, and I'm really impatient. I watch other people's unboxing videos of it and then I might as well open my own because I've already seen what's inside. So this one is the I Love 70s box, and the themes in here were Alien, Carrie, Texas Chainsaw Massacre, The Exorcist and The Hills Have Eyes. So they were our themes for this month. Next month is The Shining, Return of the Living Dead, Killer Clowns and Children of the Corn. I didn't actually buy that one because they just weren't really themes I wanted, honestly. Like, I do pay for this box and it is quite expensive, so if I don't love it then I'm not going to buy it. So unfortunately I don't have next month's, but the one that's coming out next, it comes out tomorrow and it is like new horror film themed, and I'm definitely getting that one because it's got like Saw and It and Stranger Things, stuff like that in it, so I will be buying that one, but I'm going to miss a month unfortunately. So let's get in here anyway and see what we have got. So the first item is our t-shirt. As always, you get a t-shirt and a pin, and it is from Alien. So it looks like this. It's very cool. I actually really like the colour of this. It's like a bright turquoise and a neon green on black, which looks really nice, really stands out a lot. And then obviously the back is just plain. So there is that. Then next we have our pin. So that is the Hills Have Eyes item. I'll get it out of here so we can see it better. This is an exclusive. Usually their pins are always exclusives. And this is Pluto, the guy from the film. Has two pins on the back so that it doesn't spin around when you're wearing it. Obviously you don't want him upside down on whatever you put him on, but that is that. Next we have this, which is our Texas Chainsaw item, and it is a big apron. So it's kind of hard to show on camera, but it says Leatherface's Texas Barbecue, and it's got him on there. This would be really cool if you were having a summer barbecue, like grilling outside and stuff. It's definitely a cool item. Then next we have this, which is our Serial Resin Co. like figure, and it is Carrie. So she's actually really heavy, like a lot heavier than their usual items are for some reason. It doesn't have like her name on it or anything. Usually they have a name on the front. Well, I don't know, it just seems a little different than the Serial Resin Co. items that we usually get. But it's really cool though. I think if there was going to be anything that I would change about this, I would probably do her less blood. I'd put maybe some like skin and clothing colour on it. I think unless you're like a real horror fan, you probably wouldn't recognise what this is. Whereas if it was more of like a blood drip effect, then maybe you would realise it was Carrie, but it is very cool though. So there is that. And then our last item is the Exorcist item, which is a print, which is really cool. I'll get it out of here because you can't see it super well in there. But this is by Max Cave, and it does have a little autograph on the bottom. It's not a real one, it's like a printed one, but it's a very cool print though. I actually really like it. I'm not huge on prints purely because I don't ever have anywhere to put them usually, but this one is really cool though, so I'll probably keep this one and put it somewhere at some point, maybe frame it, like put it on the wall or something. So yeah, that was everything that was in July's Fright Crate. So I'll quickly just do a little overview because I know everyone likes to see the stuff together. So there was the print, the Serial Resin Co. Carrie, the pin with Pluto on it, the Texas Chainsaw apron, which is huge. It's kind of hard to show you, but you get the gist. And then finally the Aliens t-shirt. So there we go. All these things for July's Fright Crate. If you're from the UK, this box is quite expensive. It usually works out maybe, I think about £47 if I'm remembering correctly. Obviously it's way cheaper to the US. I think it's like $30 or something, which is great. I wish that I could pay that price in the UK, but yeah, like I said, I am not getting next month's because I just didn't love the themes, but I will be getting the one that arrives in October. So hopefully I'm going to be doing loads of Halloween boxes around October time. If you're not already, then please subscribe and you can watch lots of those. I'll put the info down below for them anyway, and then you can go check out Fright Crate if you want to. The new box comes out tomorrow and they sell out really quickly, so if you want to get your hands on the next one, you'll probably have to go get it in the next few days. But yeah, I hope you like this video anyway, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.